This is the marA wireless smart charger. It's a 12-volt smart battery charger. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is an instruction booklet. There's a nice little pouch over here, which is really nice to pack everything up in. Here is the charger itself, and you have two ways to connect that to your battery via either alligator clamps like this. You'll notice that also has a fuse on it, or ring terminals if you can attach it directly to the battery, also with the fuse, and they have their own particular plug which will go into the plug over here, and then that screws on as such. The fuse is one of those old school style automotive fuses, 15 amp. So the connectors just plug together, and then you go ahead and screw this thing on until it's snugged up. Now this charger is for all different types of 12-volt batteries. It could be a wet cell, like an automotive battery. It could be a gel cell, perhaps an AGM or absorbed glass mat battery. It can even handle lithium batteries as well. This will handle worldwide voltage, so anywhere from 120 to 240. Of course, a plug adapter would be required if you're not in the United States, but they do have this available for other countries as well with the appropriate plug. This will put out anywhere from 0.8 to 4.3 amps worth of current, and the nominal charging voltage is 14.4 to 14.7 volts. Now you'll notice there's a bunch of different icons and lights and all kinds of stuff over here. First of all, this can connect up Bluetooth to a phone or a tablet, so you can get charging information from it. There's a motorcycle function and a car function. That really just depends on how big your battery is. You don't want to put the type of current that a car battery is going to need into a motorcycle battery. Today I just have my little jump pack here, which is sort of more or less a motorcycle battery type thing, so that is the function that I'm going to be selecting as such. So what I'll do is I'll connect the battery up, and I'm going to press the mode button to go to the motorcycle mode, and you'll notice the 1 light comes on and the 2 light comes on, and it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and M. So this is a 7-step charger. It does diagnosis, initialization, constant current, constant voltage, analysis, reconditioning, and optimization. This is all clearly described within the user's manual, which is also available online, so you can look at that to see exactly what it'll do. But like I said, it is Bluetooth, so we're going to go ahead and get the app and see what that does for us. And this uses the marA SCC app. Here you can see it shows up in the Bluetooth list on this device, so I'll connect to it. And once in the app, we can do a number of different things here. For example, it's showing you the current battery capacity at 41%. You could select the charging mode, which is motorcycle, which it is right there, as you see. Charging voltage is currently at 12.75, and stuff like that. You can even just shut it down right from the app there, and it turns off like that. You can also set up 3 different programs for different types of batteries. For example, the battery in this is 7 amp hours, so I've entered that in. And you'll notice that our battery capacity has gone up. This is currently on stage 3. Here are the particular charging steps. As you notice, the first one is diagnosis, which checks the battery's condition, the voltage, health, and state of charge to determine if the battery is stable before charging. Then initialization, where it would reinstate the battery to reach an appropriate workable level before bulk charge. Now we're on stage 3, or step 3, which is constant current. Starts the charging process with maximum current until reaching approximately 80% of battery capacity. Then it will go to constant voltage, where it'll charge with declining current to maximize up to 98% of the battery capacity. Analysis then tests if the battery can hold a charge. Step 6 is reconditioning. It says when analysis tests battery lower then the present capacity of 95% should jump to recondition stage. And step 7, test the battery to see if it can hold charge. When analysis tests the battery is higher than the present capacity of 95%, it should jump to the float current until in a fully charged state. After that, the charger stops charging and keeps detecting the level of the battery capacity until removing the clamp. And there's a different optimization procedure depending on exactly which model you have. So it's certainly not your average battery charger. It does a whole lot more and gives you a lot more information through the app here as well. It'll alert you. You can even turn on a notification for it. You can see our charging voltage has increased there. Charging current is 0.81, and it'll keep transmitting the information to the app here so you can monitor this while not actually being present. So once again, this was the marA Smart Battery Charger for 12-volt batteries. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.